guys, welcome back to the channel. It is yours truly, Nisha, and I am back with another makeup tutorial. So for today's look, you guys, I am really excited for today's look. So the reason being is because I am using a few products that I got in my beauty boxes, and the main thing that I was so excited for when I seen this item in my beauty box, and you guys have seen me talk about it in my unboxing video. If you guys have not seen that video, definitely go ahead and click that link down in the description box. I will have it down at the bottom. But anywho, I am talking about this palette from Ace Boutique, y'all. Oh my goodness. Like, I wanted y'all to see the tutorial and let me, you know, do a first impression review on it. But I'm just gonna tell y'all right now, this will be back probably next week, and the next week, and the next week. Y'all, this palette is amazing. The color story is amazing. It just screams springtime. So being that the quality is A1, like look at this. No problem blending, no problem with the pigmentation, no problem at all with this palette. Probably will be back all month long using this palette because I really love the payoff on this, and plus I really want to use it even more now because I know a few of you guys got this palette as well. And if you guys did not get this in your beauty box, don't worry, you can definitely still go ahead and get this palette on the you definitely get this palette on their website. I believe this brand is being sold at Sephora as well too, or is it Ulta? My gut is saying Sephora. I remember checking on that. So if you guys are a Sephora shopper, you know, you got them points and everything, definitely check out this brand. I think this palette may be on there, don't quote me on there, but I know she's on there, okay? This brand that's on here, okay? I definitely want to get my hands on more palettes from this brand because the payoff was amazing, okay? I am going to be using a few more other products that I got in my beauty box, so y'all want to stay tuned, watch the full face beat down on this tutorial so you guys can see all the stuff that I will be trying out. This tutorial, you guys, is like a lot of new stuff. Even the stuff that I didn't get in my beauty box, I did try a few other new products, and y'all, I gotta wait and see. So I wanna spill the beans and all right now, but y'all gotta watch the tutorial, okay? We'll talk about these products in another video, okay? Because I have a feeling they're gonna be in my monthly favorites for the month of March, okay? So y'all stay tuned, enjoy this tutorial. Please don't forget to thumbs up this video. I know sometimes we forget, I forget sometimes too when I watch other people's videos. So first off, thumbs up this video, okay? Because you're liking the content, you're liking this look, you're liking the beat, you're liking the slay, okay? And plus you guys like me, you're subscribed to me, okay? So definitely don't forget to thumbs up this video, and of course, leave me a comment down at the bottom. Let me know how you guys are feeling this look, okay? All right, so let's get into this tutorial. Bye. All right, I want to first off say thank you guys so much for the compliments and the love and the support on the February favorites. That's when I was wearing this makeup look. Y'all was giving me so much compliments. So here is the tutorial. I hope you guys like it. So we're going to jump right in using this beautiful palette. I want to go in with this nude color, and I decided to pop this underneath my eyebrows. Y'all know I always do this all the time, but this color in particular, I should have went with my usual highlight color because it was a little bit too white for my liking, but it is what it is. So for this part, I actually pointed to the wrong color. I did go in with the color that's next to it, which is that nice orangey red color. So I'll just basically pop this into the crease, and I'm going to blend this as much as possible because this is going to be the transition color for this look. All right, now I'm going in with a matte purple. Y'all, this purple is beautiful. Look at that. Look at this pigmentation of this purple, you guys. I was really impressed by this brand. I was really impressed by this palette. And y'all, I don't know if y'all knew, but it caught me by surprise. But this brand is owned by a black woman. Yes. So when I found that out, I was really here for this brand. I was like, sis, really? So I definitely will be picking up more products and more palettes from this brand. Not just because she's black owned, well, a little bit because of that, but because the pigmentation, the quality it's there. It is beautiful. It is there. So I'm going back and forth with the two colors that's already in the crease, and I'm going back and forth with them to make sure they are nicely blended. So of course I decided to cut my crease for today's look, and the reason being is because I love a cut crease. That's number one. But number two, this gives me the opportunity to play with a lot more colors, so that way I can, you know, experience and explore this palette a lot more because I'm using more of variety of different eyeshadows. So that was the whole reason why the cut crease was done. So now that I have my cut crease done, I'm going to go in with the same color that I used for a highlight. I'm going in with that new color and I'm going to pop it onto 1/4 of the eyelid. Yes, I said 1/4. Yeah, I'm going in with a lot of colors on the lid. So once you have it on your proper placement on your eyes, go in with the next color, which is this beautiful peachy orange, you guys. You can definitely build this color up, and I was really surprised by that because the lighting is showing it to be like a really deep like orange, but it's very peachy in person. So when I put it on the eyes and build it up, I was like, whoa, sis, we're going a different way with this look. And of course, pop this beautiful neon Barbie pink on the eyes right next to that orange. So as I'm putting these placements on, I am going to go back in with the previous colors to make sure that I'm going back and forth and blending the colors on the lid, because it ain't cute having no harsh blend. No, it ain't cute. So make sure you do that. Take your time and blend it right, okay? You can do it, baby. Do it tonight. Anywho, going in to close this look out with this purple eyeshadow. Same purple that's in the crease, of course. And y'all, these lashes is, of course, these were beautiful. These was my first time trying these out. I'm having a brain fart, but I will have her information out in the description box. She is a black owned lash brand as well, and I was trying these out. These were definitely giving me my boom. These lashes are with the length, okay? These are very beautiful. They are very lengthy though, so if you're not into dramatic lashes, these lashes won't be for you. Alright, so face application, you guys know I like to start off with a moisturizer for my skin because I definitely feel like it does do a big adjuster when it comes to your foundation routine, okay? So I'm going in with my second primer. This is by e.l.f. This is the e.l.f. Putty Primer. Y'all know it's my all-time freaking favorite primer ever, okay? Going in, I'm going to, of course, blend that all over the face. And then I decided to go in with this foundation for today. I felt like I haven't used this in a while, being that I have a big variety of different foundations now. I do need to play around with a lot more of my other shades because, you know, sometimes they get a little neglected. But this foundation is really beautiful by L'Oreal. This is really amazing. And this is like my perfect match. I love when I find a foundation that is like perfectly like to my complexion. But anywho, going in with my favorite concealer. This is my all-time favorite concealer. I love the way that this formula is very thick, it's creamy, and it's coverage. I really love the e.l.f. concealers, and this one is called the CAMO ones. They do have two different type of concealers. They have a hydrating one and CAMO. CAMO is particularly my favorite because it's more coverage, and if you're looking for a lighter way of highlighting your face, definitely try the hydration ones. They have a little bit like satin coverage, but it's not as bold as this. And I did go in with a darker concealer as well, which is called Rich Ebony, again by e.l.f. And it's just bomb. I like to contour with this. It's been like my new little favorite thing that I like to do. And y'all, let's talk about the setting powder by Beauty Bakery. Oh my goodness, this was the very first time me trying this out, and I was impressed. Beauty Bakery is becoming one of my new favorite drugstore brand. Like, it was beautiful. So I decided to go in with COCO Kisses to set the rest of my face. And y'all gonna see my expression when I dust off the powder. I was like, wow. Like, my face really was nicely set and highlighted. The powder was smooth, no flashbacks. So I'm definitely here for Beauty Bakery. And y'all, they are at Target. So go ahead and get you a few of Beauty Bakery powders, okay? They're very affordable compared to her online prices. I'm telling you, sis, you won't be disappointed. And this is also another one of her product. This is the Beauty Bakery bronzer. It's my perfect bronzer. I love it. And then I'm going in with a Juvias blush palette, and I'm going to pop this color into the cheeks, and it's going to bring more warmth to my face. Then I decided to go in with this green because I wanted to play with some more colors. So I am going to pop this on my lower lash line, making sure that I'm using patting motions because being that the face application is already on, I don't want any fallout. But one thing I will have to say about her eyeshadows, they are not powdery. They're not chalky, so I barely got any fallout, to keep it 100 with y'all. And I decided to go in with another product. This is the JLARUE pigment stacker, and y'all wanted to go in with this neon yellow because I felt like my inner needed something like to bring all these colors out a lot more. And then this lipstick, you guys, by GLAM is beautiful. Like, oh my god, this is like a different type of nude color because you see a little bit of like a peachy orange undertone to it, and it's just so beautiful. So of course I went in with a lip liner to make sure that this is looking marvelous onto the lips, and then I'm going to go in with my brush to make sure that I am blending these two colors out. You guys, this lipstick is beautiful, matte, but I'm just not a matte girl, so I did add gloss, but I didn't show you guys, so make sure you check the description box to know what gloss I did use. But of course, once the lips and everything is done, we're going to close this off by setting our face, and I decided to go in with my everyday Bakeier setting spray, setting this all over, and then voila, y'all, I'm gonna let this dry, let it set, and then boom, shorty came back looking like a hot tamale. But thank you guys so much again for the support on the February favorites on this makeup look. Thank you guys so much. I hope you guys really like it, and I hope you guys try it out. And if you do, don't forget to tag me on one of y'all social media networks that you guys are following me on. Definitely tag your girl. I will definitely repost it, love it, share it, and all that good stuff. And thank you guys so much for watching this. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up button. You guys have a beautiful, blessed day. Stay gorgeous, honey. And I'll see you guys all in another one. Smooches.